to give you another update on the VeryChat. So before now, I told you that VeryChat has made a announcement as regards to their KYC. So like since day before yesterday, the KYC have started. So and the banner has been up. So I just received the banner just pop up on my own right now. So I'm just here to walk you step by step on how to complete your KYC for your verification for VeryChat. So make sure that you have your wallet ready. You have already created your VeryChat wallet. So you can see the wallet right here on the side. So if you click on it, I've already created mine. So let me just show you so that you see. So you can see that I've already created my wallet. So my wallet is already ready. So you can see some very on my wallet. So those were very that I won through some other means. So I won them. So and they were transferred to me. So this is it. So make sure you get your very wallet very ready for this because that's part of the criteria of the KYC. So just make sure you get it very ready. So all you need to do is just try to get your valid NIN, your your ID card, your valid ID card in your nationality. Get them ready, and it must be in plastic. So it must be plastic valid ID. So make sure that yours is on a plastic, not paper. So it's part of the criteria. So right now, let me just keep you on how to go about the KYC. So all you need to do, just click on the start KYC. So just click on the start KYC. So let me start it right now. So you can see right here. So it has opened, but some of you will experience some little issues and also experience some little lagging. So it has result to the server. So but if you have such a issue, like try again, just go and clear your cache, then just restart it again. Even though it's raining, just be clearing your cache and start again. So but please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to like this video and give this video a thumbs up as I'm processing with it. So right now, so this is just it. So this is my very wallet address. So all you need to do, you can see everything. Say very will be paid to your very wallet address below. If you don't remember your pin, check the hint in the email you receive when you created the wallet. So that's why they say you must not lose your pin, because if you lost your pin is just like your passphrase. So that's how the this a very wallet was created. So you don't have to lose your 4 digit pin, or 5 digit pin. So you don't have to lose them. So it say your my very is paid out at all once after every user's KYC is completed. So I have verified the very wallet address above and know it is PIN and know it's PIN. So if you have verified yours and you know that this is your wallet address and this is your and you know your PIN, so you can quickly tick right here. So just quickly tick on it. If you click on it, meaning that you are confident that you understand and you know your very PIN and the address, that this is the confirmed address. So I confirm I'm using my real ID and I agree that I submitting false information will result in permanent restriction. Yes. So make sure you are using your valid ID. Please know that you are using your very ID. So you click on it and you tap it. So you say continue. So just click on continue. So you will say take a photo of your face and ID. Your face is detected automatically once it is fit inside the oval. Hold your ID in your hand while capturing. So So what I need to do is say find a well lit environment, a very clean place, and where the ID can be visible and everything will be shown clearly. So show your entire face. Hold your physical ID next to your face while proceeding. So remove masks and sunglasses. So those are things that will not bring issues, or that will not make the KYC not to be successful. That's what they are telling you. So you click got in. So these are the procedure. This is what you will be doing. Your ID, you hold it and someone will snap you. So that's what you do. So I click on got. So in a second you got ready for the KYC. So it says start right now. So I'm going to start right now. So just click on start. So face the camera straight. Face a verification with your valid NIN or your valid card with you. After the facial verification, then you have to snap your valid card, your ID. You have to snap it like this. So if you are facing like challenges like this, so you have to, like, let me say, clear the cache of the VeryChat. Just clear the cache, then restart it again. Then after doing this, then it will snap then you snap the ID card. So you make sure that the card is well positioned for you to snap. So, but sometimes it will delay because of the system and some system error. So that's why you have to clear the very short cache. So just clear it. So then after the snapping, then you will proceed. Then you will proceed. So after you have successfully snapped the your ID, then you will see that it will just pass that is snapping of the ID card. Then you will see this place. So all you need to do now is just to fill your surname. So your surname should be valid or should be the same with what is inside your card, and also your surname should be the same name with the name you register with your very short, because if you contradict it, it will result to issue for the KYC. So make sure that your name, everything should be tally with what is under your ID card, or either your passport, or either your your driving license. So you fill your name, then you fill your given name, then your date of birth and all the rest, your nationality. Then after filling it, then you submit. So once you submit, so this is what you are going to see. So we say you have your KYC has been completed. We are reviewing the application you submitted. It will be processed within 3 business days. We will notify you of the result via the shouts. So they will notify you once you have passed your KYC. Then they will notify you via the KY via the very short maybe on the notification box, or either it will pop up that your KYC has been successful. So if you find this video helpful, do well to like this video. Also, please subscribe to YouTube channel and support the channel through your means of subscriber. So thank you. Peace out.